Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel GuideHub. In this video, we will be learning how to back up chat history in Line app. To back up chat history in Line app, first, make sure that you are logged into the application. Then, tap on the settings icon located on the top right. Under Backup and Transfer, tap on Backup and Restore Chat History. It will lead to this page where you can both back up and restore the chat history. Here, we are only going to back up, so tap on Backup now. After this, you have to set a backup pin. This pin will let you restore your backed up history to another device. Then, tap on Next. Here, you have to select a Google account. After this, tap on Start Backup. And here you go, your chat history is being saved to your device cloud storage. That's it for today's video. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.